The DWVO Nail Desk ND-1001 is designed with a spacious storage layout featuring a 3-tier tabletop and convenient side drawers, which maximizes organization and efficiency in a salon setting. Its multi-purpose nature allows the manicure station to be utilized not only in salons but also in living rooms or offices, doubling as a stylish countertop for various activities. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and legs, this marble nail desk ensures stability, preventing any wobbling during manicures while protecting floors with non-slip foot stakes. The modern design of the nail desk, with its marbleized texture and chic woodgrain handles, adds a touch of luxury and elegance to any beauty salon or spa. The acetone-resistant surface and drawers of the desk provide both style and practicality, making it an ideal choice for professional manicurists. Assembly of the desk is straightforward, with comprehensive instructions included, allowing users to quickly and easily set up their workspace.